we're seeing ABB forming another support and resistance around the below 30s. I don't really have enough of info for this moment to know what it's going to do, but this trend line here for me indicates and close to 60 that it might go above this mark, which is the 29.75 before the bell rings. That's what I see here. And I see it as a higher probability of happening. Now, I was explaining about 4 really important pointers, and you can use these steps for your trading. This took a lot of months for me to understand. For me, it's the golden key into finding when to join in a trading stock. Okay, so let me explain this 4-part golden key trading tool. 4 elements, 3 EMAs, RSI, volume, and the 4th, the big picture. So, what am I talking about? These are 3 EMA trend lines, indicators. I have the 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and 50 EMA. I have the 201, but I use it for support and resistance. It's a pretty strong support and or resistance when it touches. But for now, I'll keep it simple and straight to the point. So this is 1, 3 EMAs. 2, 60 RSI is the sweet spot from 55 to 65. Now, when you have a above average increased volume, it promotes change. And the 4th, what do you see in the chart? Does it have potential to be positive, bullish, or negative, a short stock? How do you apply them all together? When the 3 EMAs cross and have above average volume and is around close to the 60 RSI position, while determining in the bigger picture that it will result in a positive direction, like in a positive trend, like a trend, if it's a positive trend or if it's a negative trend. And you apply all those things and they cross each other and they meet. This is a sweet spot right here. This is the location that I should enter. This has become natural to me because I've done it so many times and I figured out it worked for me. On the list here on AABB, if you check the daily, because we checked before the 1 minute chart, we're there. We are at that sweet spot. Now look, we are close to the 60 RSI. Now you will say volume, not so much. Volume is higher than the last 3 days, so it's not above average. The 3 EMAs are in the verge of crossing and touching each other. And the chart for me, like we have positive, negative, positive, negative, and it's enveloping to a positive trend. I probably should have gotten here or here, but I didn't have enough info for me to get in. And this explains the volume. As you see here, they're like waves, up and down, up and down, up and down, and we reached rock bottom. Now the other one is going up. This is a visual game for technical analysis. I put in my trade ideas configurations. I find what is closest to my 4 sweet golden indicators, and then I click all of them. I write them down on a list, and then if I see potential in one of the stocks, like I saw in ABB and CAVR, I just trade them based on those 4 points: RSI, volume, the 3 EMAs, and the overall picture. Now, we had a 60, we had a above average volume, the overall trend was a positive, and we had our result. This for me is a definite locking in stock until Tuesday, I would say. So, because I've rambled a lot and went too deep into philosophy and the trading concept and how to trade with your own way. So next video will be on Friday, and as I said, I'll be showing you everything basically. My account, what I've lost, the mistakes I've made, what I've earned, and my failures. And you can learn from my mistakes as well. Sometimes I see it also in myself. When I fail, there's this realization helps into trying to not make that same mistake, try to improve. And that's what trading is all about, learning from your mistakes and persevere through failures. This is Noob Trader, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.